Don't assume cause Joe's verses have no curses, that Joe's flows won't put these MCs in those hearses. They start repenting when I'm spitting. Call animal rights, I'm snatching mics, turning hard, catching the kittens. It is written, man shall not live by bread alone, but by every word out of the mouth of God. I'm in my zone, I'm gone. I'm roaming on another plateau. They claim they lyrics fly high, but they falling flat though, cause it's all an act though. Rewind it back slow, take the weed out and the beat out, and it's just a whack flow. And you know they bluffing, master fake stunting with overrated, complicated ways to say nothing. And I'm tired of your dope MC speech. You couldn't be dope with 10 pockets full of 10 keys each. If I preach it's cause the P and PG stand for pastor. Bump the naysayers, I'm stunting on praise haters. You should pay a fine, poisoning the minds of white and black kids. Then take a photo so we'll all know what whack is. The fact is you lied when you tried to say you love rap. A weak mind and dumb rhymes turn punchlines to love taps. Don't bust back, I'm just throwing up the cross. Being out saving souls is my acronym for boss. He without sin cast the first stone, so we know that. Haters might be holding rocks, but they could never throw that. I got the flow that boom baps like classic throwbacks. Spiritual newness with the heart of old raps. See, I'm shooting for the stars, and if I land on the moon, I'll send a postcard to Mars, cause I'm landing there soon. Truth is, heaven is my final destination, but while I'm earthbound, I bring a sound that'll bless a nation. A true friend, you'll never bore me with your life story, cause all the sin could falling short of God's glory. The flow ain't nothing to it, they thought PG couldn't do it. Then it made me stay back cause my flow was so stupid, like arrows from Cupid. They took my lyrics to heart, searching for my style, they took my lyrics apart, only to discover it's a lyrical art with spiritual meaning. A roller coaster screaming on demons, tested wisdom, poetic exorcism. I'm trying to save souls that's dying from pesos. So long I stay low, waiting on God's time. And now PG's in the building, Kingdom Squad shining. Man of God rhyming, many tried to undermine, but their minds were undermined. Too much depth under my rhymes, I'm undefined, bold italics and underline. If I had the light of Christ in my talent, I'd undershine. PG code, swaying in my songs 23 mode, in the valley of the shadow with death, fearing no evil. Much is required to whom much has been given. I have a strict diet, I eat tracks for a living. Holy Ghost driven, spirit fed, spirit led. But don't get it twisted, the flow is mad vicious, so swaglicious. My last mic has stitches, I am seeing 3D, painting way past pictures. Phonies is only fictions and non-original mixtures. I spit most holy scriptures for most unholy listeners, repping most high music. Most is diluted, I'm as real as Bob Marley, no woman, no cry music. Ready to die music, lyric heavy high music. I submit bars like MMA stars. Devils get cast out when they act out, cause if they lash out, I make them tap out until they pass out. Flow like no one, but influences bleed through. Stop checking for movie credits, this is just a preview. PG.